Let's go. Where you at? Okay, Julio's done with all his work. We are taking off from Starbucks and heading to Disneyland. Right, babe?
Right.
Yay! So it is
At the light, turn right onto East Catella Avenue.
It is a lovely 83 degrees out. We've just been we had the air conditioner on in the back. It's lovely. And now, watch it. Get everything battened down here. A little late for me to be asking that. Okay, let's head to Disney. Someone important. Oh my. Oh my. Oh, they got their guns out.
Oh fuck. What the hell? Oh shit. Is there a standoff?
No, it's just a car that's sitting there.
Okay, let's just get out of here.
Yeah.
Caught up.
Okay, so they directed us to park at, because we're oversized, to the Toy Story parking lot because they said, well, first of all, tip,
Then at the next one,
they said do not park at the downtown Disney, right?
Yes.
Parking lot if you're going to go to the theme parks because it's, what, $64?
66.
$66 to park there. So, whereas if you go to the regular theme park, it's like $30. So, and we don't fit in the regular, so we have to go to the Toy Story parking lot, which is where we're going. Okay, so we got to park in we just paid the regular. It's $30. If you're an RV, it's $35, but the lady said we're considered just a regular car, so we paid $30. So, and we got this really extra long space, which is great. It's like, 40 feet long. So we're good. We're heading in. Okay, this is where we parked. We're heading toward the shuttles. Yeah, that's really cool. So that whole building in the back is painted to look like forced perspective. All right. How long have we been in line?
2 hours.
2 hours. This is like our one and only ride we're going to hit at California Adventures. Almost on. Finally, it's going to pay off. Yes.
Clearance. And presto, the doors open for you. I now present to you Tannery Javon's private office.
I just have the Impossible Banh Mi, so the Impossible meat with a cucumber onion salad. And Julio found a ube milk tea, and I've got the black milk tea. Taking a little break after we did our first ride. We finally made it. Julio's going to appease me and go on
Peter Pan.
Peter Pan, which is the first ride I want to go on. Oh no! Is it closed? Oh, it's closed! Oh no! That was going to be mine. Peter Pan's flight right there. That's okay. Plenty of other rides. Rise of the Resistance. I'm excited!
Is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be at flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Recruits crossing to transport.
Wow, this is cool.
Now.
Okay. Wow, this is awesome.
Main unit to your right. Utilize both sides.
Oh my god, this is so cool.
Again, right interrogation.
This is so cool. Wow, this is really cool. It feels like you're on.
It's like you're in.
Yeah, like you're on a starship. It's really cool. Yeah, it does feel like you're in a movie. Yeah, it looks so real.
I was in the bathroom, so
I know the location of the secret base.
You know, too, pay attention. You know, like now memorize these single.
We're being put inside a cell. Wow, this is really, really. Look, there's a guy up there. Look, there's a guy. There's a stormtrooper up there watching us.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
You're resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the...
Put on those hats so you don't lose it.
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right.
Those are the prisoners. We have a breach in attention lock breach. There they are. Fire.
Shields. I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
The prisoners have escaped.
So realistic!
Your efforts are wasted. You cannot escape me. Your precious resistance is about to be destroyed.
Okay, what do we think?
That was awesome.
That was awesome. That was a great ride. That's our favorite ride so far. If you couldn't tell by our reaction as we were on it. All right, cool. That is a great way to end an evening. We're watching great moments with Mr. Lincoln. Giulio and I have a private audience with the president. There's not anyone else in here. We requested a private audience with the president and they granted it to us. It's the last show of the evening. It's 11:20 at night.
And now, the skills of the sculptor and the talents of the artist will let us relive great moments with Mr. Lincoln.
The world has never had a good definition of the word liberty.
Okay, it is past midnight. We drove to Seal Beach, next to Long Beach. We're at an Anytime Fitness, and we're gonna go get cleaned up, take our showers, and hit the sack, right? Then we gotta get bright and early. This one's got to do some calls, so bright and early. So next step is find a Starbucks, because that worked out before. All right. Actually, I think we're going to sign off, and we will see you in the next episode. So thank you very much for joining us. We had a great time, didn't we?
Yeah.
We had a great time at Disneyland. It was really fun. If you get a chance, go to Rise of the Resistance. I think we both agree that was our favorite ride.
Yeah.
But it's always great going to Disneyland. It was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
So, all right. Thank you so much for joining us, and I'll see you at my community, ultramobility.co. Check it out. The link's in the description below. It's free, and I'll see you there. I do my daily vlogs there, and early releases of these videos are there and everything. So check it out. Okay, bye.